Hey, desserts on a Blackstone, hey, it's not complicated. Matter of fact, it's super easy. Hey, and today we got some fruit kebabs with some Greek yogurt. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, guys, so what we're gonna start out with, we're starting with frozen fruit. Yes, frozen fruit. You can use it pretty much just like fresh fruit. If you wanna do fresh fruit, go right ahead. And I got some little bougie skewers right here. If you don't wanna do the skewers, you don't have to. Hussey told you, you don't have to, all right? But I had these on hand, so I thought, you know, why not, you know, really church it up for y'all. So I got these cool little skewers, and however you wanna do it, I'm gonna do the pineapple first, then I'm gonna take a peach. But you know what you could do, just, I mean, this is great for kids as well. Just let them build their own. And then you put it right onto the griddle. You know, you wanna do 2 strawberries because, you know, you wanna do 2 and it's yours, go right ahead. And I've done a few here previously. And really all we're doing is we're gonna put, just warm them up a little bit. We're gonna put a little bit of goodness on it. We're gonna put it over some Greek yogurt. It's gonna be great. So, hey, let's meet you over to the griddle. Let's get started. All right, we're starting off. Our griddle has been pre-warmed on a low temperature. We're gonna take a little bit of butter. Butter and fruit. Oh my goodness. Match made in heaven. So we don't want a really hot temperature here. And again, we're just looking to put a little something onto our fruit. And just like that, we're just gonna add our fruit. You hear that sizzle? That's what you wanna hear. I'm gonna put a little bit of seasoning on this, okay? I wanna use some of this spicy brown sugar from Blackstone. We're not gonna do a whole lot, just a little bit. Just to know you're there, okay? Just enough to be fun. We got a pretty little bowl right here. And if you wanna do ice cream, you can do ice cream. But, you know, we'll do a little bit of yogurt, a little Greek yogurt. I love, love, love Greek yogurt. After about a couple minutes, just gonna come in, we're gonna flip our fruit over. We'll take a little bit more of this spicy brown sugar. We're gonna put just a little bit of brown sugar right there. That's just gonna make it good. Gonna make it real good. So we're gonna take these dudes off. We'll put them over into our bowl that we fixed with our yogurt. Look at that. That right there ain't pretty. I don't know what's not. Come on. Talk about a quick dessert. We're not done. I like to add a little bit of crunch. Love, love, love this granola here. Just a little bit of a crunch factor, okay? Makes it so nice. There we go. Now, a little bit of honey. Just come across, just like this. There you have it. That right there is a quick and easy dessert. I say let's give it a try. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. I want to get this one right here. Got a little peach right there. A little peach. And let's see here. I always like a little crunch, a little granola. Cheers. I love a grilled peach. So good. The honey. Pineapple's good too. Really, really dig it. Texturally, the granola crunch, along with the fruit, still got a little bit of a crunch to it, a little bit of a bite. This yogurt's really good too. Like I said, you can do this with ice cream. A little hint of that brown sugar, that spicy brown sugar. Y'all, I guarantee you fix this for your crowd, they'll love it. And it's not gonna take much time at all. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.